breakfast. It's what's for dinner. Thank you for joining us for our next episode of Becky's Bistro. Today we're going to show you how to make gluten-free cottage cheese blender pancakes. Full of taste, gluten-free. Stay tuned. The first step we're actually going to do is the topping. So I want to go ahead and put on our heat, put it on about medium heat to start with. And we're going to put in the 2 cups of berries. And as we put those in, we just want to get all the juice that we can possibly get. And then we'll add the 2 tablespoons of honey. You can also use granulated sugar if you choose. I'm just using honey because I like the thickness that it provides. We'll stir that up. And again, this is going to make what we call a compote, which is just a thickened, syrupy fruit topping. You can use it in place of your syrup, or you can use it with syrup, whatever your choice, whatever your preference. But we're going to let that cook up and, get started on our next step. Before we go ahead and start our pancake batter, I want to go ahead and put a lid on top of our compote and just kind of reduce the heat to simmer. The first things that go into our blender for our pancake batter are going to be our dry ingredients. So that's our 1 cup of oatmeal, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then our salt. Put the lid on that, and we're going to pulse that again until it makes just kind of a fine wheat-like flour. And we're going to add all of our wet ingredients. We've got our cottage cheese, one egg. I will put in the bowl individually to make sure we don't have any shells. Our vanilla extract, our milk, and our bananas that I have sliced just 1 of our bananas. And we're going to mix that together. And if all goes well, it'll make a delicious batter. So we've already gotten the batter done in the blender. Now the next step is going to be to heat the griddle or skillet, whichever you're using, and spray it with the butter spray. So we're going to do that. I've got it heating on about a low-medium heat. And then we'll ladle. And the reason it was 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk was it depends on the consistency of the batter that you prefer. If you like it thinner, you may want to add even more milk. So we'll just ladle this out into a pancake shape. And we'll let those start cooking. All right, these are ready to plate. So we'll go ahead and put these pancakes on our plate. Put our fruit compote. Oh, that looks delicious with the strawberries, blackberries, blueberries. And then the best part is bananas. So we will layer some bananas on here. Uh-oh. Frankie heard the word banana. He's in the kitchen. And with just a spritz of my spray butter, I'm ready to try these delicious pancakes. Get a piece of pancake, berry, and banana. Delicious. Full of protein, full of taste, and gluten-free. Thank you for joining us on Becky's Bistro. I hope you enjoyed this recipe.